Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Lord Shiva sat there, surrounded by saintly persons like Kuvera, the master of the Guyakas, and the 4 Kumars who were already liberated souls. Lord Shiva was grave and saintly. The personalities sitting with Lord Shiva are significant because the 4 Kumars were liberated from birth. It may be remembered that after their birth, these Kumars were requested by their father to get married and beget children in order to increase the population of the newly created universe. But they refused, and at that time Lord Brahma was angry. In that angry mood, Rudra, or Lord Shiva, was born. Thus they were intimately related. Kuvera, the treasurer of the demigods, is fabulously rich. Thus Lord Shiva's association with the Kumars and Kuvera indicates that he has all transcendental and material opulences. Actually, he is the qualitative incarnation of the Supreme Lord. Therefore his position is very exalted.